Hello and welcome back to Cynthia's Conversation. Today's topic is a viewer request, but first let me introduce my panel. On my left I have Yvonne and on my right I have Amaka. Ladies, this is a question from you guys. Una. Okay, so the question goes like this. Ladies, how do you tell a guy that his sex is whack without hurting his feelings?
Don't look at me. You're the one that read it.
No, the question, they didn't say Cynthia, you must answer. They say ladies. So the question goes for the three of us.
Do you remember we had a topic that touched kind of similar to this question? Remember when we were talking about
how to deal with the bad sex?
Yes, it's kind of similar to that.
No, but this one is specific. How do you tell the guy that his sex is whack without hurting his feelings?
And do you still want to continue the relationship with the person?
Well, I think the easiest way is to disappear. Well, she said no hurt his feeling. You will see.
Okay, that will even worse because you didn't tell him what the problem was.
You got ghost.
I will ghost him. I will ghost
now.
God, the kind question one that they ask me. No, now be careful. Okay. Apart from laughing, you know what?
Yeah.
How do you tell a guy his sex is whack without hurting his feeling? I think it's conversation. You're gonna have to talk. You know, there are those that are this bad you can manage, but those that are this bad, I don't know who can manage it. So, but personally, if it's me,
and you like the person,
and I like you see, this is what I always say. Sometimes when you like someone's personality,
you're ready
then
to
the sex becomes secondary.
Yes.
But if it's the one where we say he take and boast, if I catch you, it's you I'll do you, if I catch you, and then when I can't reach the marathon and the guy, that person, I will look him straight in the face and I will laugh.
This one will laugh. That's the issue. That's exactly how she laugh. So if it is you, I shall laugh like that in front of you. Just know why. She'll tell you I'll see you next week. That lie, that's a... she will phone me. I'll say, that's how she start laughing.
I need tissue, please.
It is very...
You will laugh.
Of course. You know.
How do you tell? Like you said, if I like you, hey.
God, let's share.
I think if you like the person, right, and the person is willing to have that conversation with you, you can actually have such conversation, but you find really subtle ways to tell them. I'll give you an example now. If let's say I've been with someone and it just doesn't work, and I like the person, I will have the conversation in such a way that I will put myself. I'll kind of do it in a way that I'm blaming myself, but like reverse psychology.
What?
No. Let me explain. Maybe I didn't say it.
Okay, let her explain.
For example, now, like, okay, you're just because I don't want to hurt his feelings and I like the person, so I'm just like, you know what, this, can we try something else also, because I didn't really like it, I don't really like, I'll make it more like.
Why are you going to take your responsibility for somebody else's action?
No, but what I'm saying is because of the fact that I like the person, I'm not trying to hurt it. So I'm not putting the responsibility on. I'm not taking the blame. But look at the way I said it. I said, look, the way we had this thing, I didn't enjoy it. I didn't like. Can we try? I'm giving the person a chance to see.
And then you try the second time,
and it doesn't work. Oh no! Then at that point in time, I made up my mind that I'm breaking up with it. And then I'm like, yes.
Whether I like it or not.
No, because at that time now, you now have that extra voice to say, actually, you know what? I gave you a chance.
You tell him.
Oh yes. That's what I'm saying now. That because at that point in time, I wouldn't want to. And it's only because I like the person, and only because I'm trying to be sensitive, I will go to say, you know what?
And the guy asks you why.
I think it's the I will make an excuse. Like, I think it's the methodology. That's why it's not working. Let's try. And if that doesn't work, then I'm like, well, I've run out of options. It did not work.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
How will you say?
No, I'm just...
Okay, so will you stay in the relationship even in...
Ghosting.
You
I will ghost you. I don't know what to say now. I will ghost you.
No, like I said, okay.
Ha.
No,
I
I
can't.
will, but I will be
Personally,
sensitive.
I will have the conversation. I will say, okay, because everyone have what works
for them. Well, that's why I talked about different
Yes,
methods.
you know, everyone
that's
have
why I
what work.
talked about
Maybe this particular thing you are doing doesn't work
for me.
But again, now hang on a minute. It might not be what he's doing that is actually the problem. It might be the rod that is the problem.
Yeah.
So if the rod is the problem, there is no sugar coating. Bros, this uncle is sleeping.
Remember that my baby girl situation. So what will I tell that one?
No, okay. Let me tell you what I will do in that situation. If it's the case, because obviously I thought about methods, so
Yeah,
we try it out.
but-
But if it's about size, right?
No, it's not size. Like whatever size it is,
Yes,
it's just
it's about that
thing that is not just
Hey.
Walking.
Now then I go tell the person, say I be doctor, because I will now go medical on him.
Have you tried?
Okay, no, I'll go medical. And I'm saying,
Yeah.
actually, you know what? Can we have a talk? Do you feel you have a problem?
And if you tell you no,
And
no,
you say
I
no,
feel
I'll say,
no.
actually, I have a friend I can refer you to because.
And if other women have told him that he's good, uncle.
Well, but that's why we're having the conversation because no, but that's why we're having because when I now tell him, when I bring it to attention that there's a problem, and he now replies to me to say, well, other women have said he is fantastic, then I'll say, well, it's not working for me. End of story. But if he says, oh, and continues the conversation, then I'll say, actually, I think
Not
you have a
many
medical
Ha, you're telling me there's problem.
no, let here, Maka, come on. How are you going to tell
I
me?
can't see.
Well, that's the thing.
Okay,
That's
go to me and
exactly.
baby.
Okay, hang on. If you ghost on the guy,
Exactly.
the guy will want, because the same way if a man ghosts on you, you want to
You
know.
want to know.
But I won't
why.
tell him that it's
No, you
because
want
the
to
sex
know
is
why
whack,
the
no.
person goes. So if the person tells you,
Okay, I wasn't ready for a relationship. I thought I was. Let us just be friends. Because I can't go there. I said baby girl happened to me. I ran away.
no, honest, you know, the one that really gets
I can't
me,
do it.
The one,
I
Do you know what? I think
Because I think mentioning it, sorry, I think mentioning it alone, mentioning it alone to me, no matter how sensitive you're trying to be, will be hurtful. To me, oh.
but if I don't think so, you be honest.
It depends on the
It's
person.
being honest.
Yes.
It's called being
Yeah,
honest.
Okay,
that's fine. That's
listen,
fine. So
right,
I'd rather
listen.
just disappear.
for me, ghosting is I really didn't care. It
No,
was
no,
probably-
because we'll still be friends.
No, what I'm saying is for me, ghosting, the way I would take if someone ghosted me,
Yeah.
that's the way I would take it. It doesn't matter how you sugarcoat it. I will be so offended because I'll take it that you didn't even bother. You didn't even care. Which sends wrong signals. It sends the mixed message because maybe you did care, like you rightly said, you don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
The guy is going to continue to think that there's something he did
And then I'll
wrong.
tell you that, okay, well, it's just that, you know what, I decided I wasn't ready for a relationship, but we can be friends. But if so, it works both ways.
No,
You tell
but-
me that.
yeah, but-
okay. If you tell the guy that his sex is whack, right? No matter how sensitive, and your friends, I mean, will you stay with the guy? And you said you will go, so you can also think so it's because of the sex with me.
No, but when you have the conversation, then the conversation will now go from, okay, so where do we go from here?
Yes.
Then you will now know whether you just want to be friends, but you won't have that kind
But that-
of intimate. And then everybody is at rest. Like you go.
Yeah,
your
but that's the
different
same
ways.
thing. Then so that means okay. So if the sex was good, would you stay with me? So are we together just because of the sex, not my personality? Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you like, it's very.
Don't sugarcoat it. Sex is part of a relationship. Okay,
That's fine.
The reason why I said a lot of people, including myself, I would rather want to know
The person first.
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
I would want to know. But there are some people when you're having a conversation with them, within 30 minutes of the conversation, is go back to sex.
Yeah.
You know, you have a conversation within 15 minutes, you go back to sex. If somebody like that have keep my eyes open,
I'll tell that one.
and I am really
That one I'll tell.
Thank you.
Exactly.
And I have prepared myself mentally, physically today. Hey, my bed go here when, and then you come and flip and flop. Bros,
Baby girl.
trust me. Even you step, I go say so. All those noise where you hear,
that
na
one.
here. But if it's somebody
That you really like.
that I really like, and depends, you know, a little bit, like I said earlier, I said a little bit bad is okay, but very bad, I will still tell you, but in a nice way.
Yes.
And will you continue with the relationship if it's very bad?
I don't think so. I don't think so, because
The thing is, for you to bring up that conversation, that relationship is changing.
yeah.
You can't have a conversation and go back to the way it was.
Yeah.
If you have that conversation, you are actually ending it. What now remains to be seen is, will you people be civil to yourselves after
Yes.
that?
Yeah.
And that's really what it is. It's not like, you know,
And then the
that-
guy will see you and another guy probably, hey, so maybe that guy's sex is good. That's what
maybe
another guy as well.
Yeah.
With that same thing will like the guy.
we like exactly.
You see
Because
what I mean?
what works for you will
Might
not
not
work for me.
another. And
So-
maybe the guy will end up. I've seen
You
some
will-
person that
yeah.
you know. I know somebody that I've dated, and they said they have, you know, are taking winky, and then they end up having 5-6 kids.
No,
now.
that doesn't mean, size doesn't mean.
No, but I'm saying that
person is
even
managing
you
it.
didn't stay
Exactly, yeah.
because but somebody else stayed
Yeah,
with
yeah.
that. So
Just to manage.
you see what I mean? So
Yeah.
if your priority in relationship might not be
Yeah,
another
another
person's
person's
priority.
priority.
You
Yeah,
get what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
But those ones where you go take and take, make sure if I
They're in
catch
trouble.
you, and then boy, no flip flop. Oh. You better no flip flop. If not. Not be to stick then the truth for
Yeah.
Nigeria. I think there's also people they said that would go on the DHL. Because if not, the kind of bad laughter, even all of us.
See, that's what happened.
Oh my God.
They're very wicked.
You people should be careful for the question that you ask. Because on this table, the only one thing that stands in this table is honesty. We are going to answer the question honestly.
Yeah.
To our ability. Oh.
Yes.
So please.
Hey, God.
Okay, oh. Guys, no, not hold the guys.
No, but it's true. It's true.
No,
I mean,
okay.
we need.
But
the
that your bad
conversation.
laughter is bad enough to hurt somebody.
You see that the same of you two are laughing. Here is laughing. That you was laughing. Here we stop. Give it a rest.
Oh my goodness.
Eh?
You know.
And I'm like, why are people laughing? Nothing, it's just something funny. And you're very
You know
wicked.
what? Let me flip the coin. Will a guy say that to a girl?
Oh, yes, they would.
Oh yeah, I've seen women will say she be like
A wood.
A wood.
They'll say that to
Or
a girl.
they'll say be like dead body for bed.
So exactly. So
It's the
why,
same thing.
why can't we
You
do
see
it?
the same
The
thing.
thing is, I think because of, again, maybe going back to culture, but that has changed. Because in Nigeria now, women are talking, they are leading, they are
Oh,
doing
yeah.
so many things that probably didn't
Men can be very
do.
insensitive.
You know,
Yeah,
exactly.
I've heard the man says,
Yeah.
oh, her sex is boring.
boring. Yes,
You know,
Yeah.
her
What
sex
would they
is
say
boring.
to the girls? Yes, they would.
Yeah, they'll
Yes,
say,
yes.
they'll
So-
tell
And
you.
they don't care.
They don't
they'll
say
say,
so.
oh,
That's
no,
more
they'll
reason
tell you.
why. But you have to understand that we women, we're very maternal. We've
Yeah,
got
very
a lot of.
yes.
So we don't just do it like that. That's why we put a lot of thought process into it because of our motherly instincts. Because we tend to, before we open our mouth and tell somebody something, we tend to think of, oh my God, if I'm in that person's
Situation, yeah, men don't care.
you know, men will just call it as it is, you know, and then after some, the funny thing is that the same men, when you finish telling them, they'll still shake hands, to, you know, punch.
You know,
and,
but
you know,
I've seen women
But-
talks and they will
Yeah.
tell you, oh no, my
They'll
God,
tell you, hell
she's
no.
just pretty there. If you
oh,
tell
that
her
girl,
that,
yeah,
then she'll
exactly,
be like,
nothing,
"Wood."
exactly.
Is it like maybe the woman he didn't like the woman in the end, he wanted to pain her? Because sometimes they say that just to be spiteful as well.
Yeah, or
Amongst
boost their
themselves.
ego.
Or
if
boost
they are-
their
if
ego.
they are in
Maybe
a
it's
group of
then that is
company.
the one that is
Yeah,
that is useless.
Yeah, in a group of company with their friends, they just want to rise and
Right, I don't mind that job.
you know.
She knows
So
to be anything.
I mean, that's the reason why that needs to be said, because if the men can say it, then why can't you? You know, and if it's like I said, I think where the problem is because you actually like the person,
Yeah.
and you're liking the
struggle.
person is more than sex. There's more relationship apart from just the sex. That's when you now start looking for a way to say it.
Okay, maybe you introduce toys then.
No, but
if
no,
the man is
but that was what I talked about, the method. But then if it's not the method and it's just that generally the whole
Hey, now the
sex
toys is
bad.
not his thing now.
Oh.
Yeah, but there are people that are that. I will
Yeah,
tell you that
yeah.
that's not their thing.
Yeah.
Well, true.
So maybe it's not
rather,
their thing,
rather. And then some men know that they're not good, so they'll rather use toys.
Well, that's one set
Some
of
men-
them, but then there's
some
some men that
men
don't
do
even know that they are not good
And but
until
there
they
are
tell
some
them.
women that genuinely who don't like toy.
Don't like exactly.
Yes.
They will tell
So
you
that's why
they
you
want
struggle.
the real thing,
Thing,
not
yeah.
the toy.
Yeah.
So it's both ways. But
Both
to be honest, the bottom line is
It's
to have a
conversation.
is conversation.
Yep.
Is to have a conversation. You can have the conversation without being rude. You can have the conversation in a way that you're not going to hurt the person's feeling. Because if we are having an open debate conversation, I don't think I want to hurt your feelings. And I will tell you the reason why I'm telling you this is because I really like you and I want to make the relationship work. But if we are having problem in this bed department, it might be a problem in future.
Yes.
Because you cannot be with somebody and be fantasizing or being with someone else.
Yeah.
Because that's the biggest problem in the relationship.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
start the relationship with the setting.
Yeah.
You know, I will stay because of one reason, or, the
reason
other.
or the other.
I'm not going to boost your ego when I know the thing is. But the same way you would do for me. If you are not doing what you like in that department, you will still tell me, babe, you know how to flip flop, you know, turn this way and turn that way, do it here and do it there. Same way goes for women to say the same thing. But the ones where you use and then make mad, where you use and then make mad, and then you reach that department, you flip flop. Sorry, bros.
Uncle.
Bros, sorry, they laugh, eh?
Huh? You will see.
Exactly.
Pepe.
Exactly.
In fact, that one I'll tell you. Is that it? This one will laugh. Man, I will laugh. Well, just
But anyway,
Oh,
guys, we will. I think, like I said, we will have the conversation, then talk about it, and then see how it goes. But apart from that, I don't think there is much to say, really.
No.
Apart from saying, bros, how you
try
feeling?
harder. Try harder. No politics.
I don't think it's try harder. I just think what I'll tell the guy is until you meet your match, then it will work for you.
Possible.
Because you could try so hard. If it doesn't work with that particular
And be open-minded.
person, you can try heaven and earth. It's not going to change anything for that particular person. So it's just a person specific problem. It's not that you are that bad.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah, I agree.
Why it makes it bad for those that boast about it is just because of that ego thing.
And they don't want to learn.
And they don't want to learn, and they continue. Then that's your own making, because you don't use that as your introduction for a relationship.
Yes, exactly.
You
Thank you.
You don't use that as your introduction
Get
to a
to know the
relationship.
person unless it's just a
one night stand. That's what, then it will be a one night stand. Two, I can easily tell you, one night. That one night was a quarter night.
Wasn't it a quarter night?
Bye bye.
Was it quarter? You know which quarter?
Bye bye.
Was it noon night?
Anyway, guys, ladies, say it nicely. And men,
Yes.
if you want to say it about women as well, say it nicely.
Yeah,
You know,
that's
put the
it.
person feelings into
Consideration.
consideration a little bit. Until next time, guys.
Be kind.
Bye.
Bye.